Are you looking for ways to increase your income and reach your financial goals? If so, then I'm here to share with you some of the best secrets to financial success. With these tips and tricks, you can make more money and get closer to achieving your dreams. There are a few key principles that you should keep in mind when striving for financial success. The first is to set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them. A goal without a plan is just a wish, so be sure to create a plan that takes into account both short-term and long-term goals. Additionally, pay attention to how you spend your money. Instead of impulsively buying something, think about if it's something you really need or if it's something you can live without. Focus on saving and investing. Building up your savings and investing in reliable stocks and bonds can help you reach your financial goals faster. Another key is starting a side hustle or part-time job which will provide an extra stream of income as well as new skills being developed along the way. Look into passive income streams such as rental properties or online businesses too. By having multiple sources of income, this will maximize potential earnings towards reaching those desired outcomes quicker than planned. Don't give up on those ambitions no matter what life throws at us. Stay motivated by reminding yourself why we're doing this in the first place. All these hard works will eventually pay off after all. So don't give up and keep striving towards those aspirations today. Hi everyone! This is Invespire channel. We are passionate about helping people unlock their potential when it comes to money. In this video, we will be talking about the secrets of financial success. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel. So if you're ready, let's get started now. To achieve financial success, it is important to first understand the fundamentals of personal finance. This includes being aware of income and expenses, grasping how taxes work, and learning about investment strategies that can be used to increase wealth. Once you have a good comprehension of these topics, you will be able to make more informed decisions with your money. To achieve financial success, it is important to first understand the fundamentals of personal finance. This includes being aware of income and expenses, grasping how taxes work, and learning about investment strategies that can be used to increase wealth. Once you have a good comprehension of these topics, you will be able to make more informed decisions with your money. It is also important to be aware of the different types of investments available, such as stocks, mutual funds, and bonds, as well as their associated risks and rewards. Additionally, it is important to understand the basics of estate planning and retirement planning, so that you can make sure your assets are distributed in the way that you desire after your death. With this knowledge, you will be able to create a financial plan that will help you reach your goals and avoid costly mistakes. The next step is to create a budget and start saving. This involves setting realistic goals for yourself and creating a plan for reaching them. It also means tracking your spending and investing in order to ensure that you stay on track with your financial goals. Saving money is a key component of financial success, as it allows you to build up an emergency fund and invest for the future. Additionally, it is important to think about ways to reduce your monthly expenses, such as trimming down your cable package or shopping around for a better deal on car insurance. Lastly, setting up automatic transfers to a savings account can help you stay on track with your savings goals. Taking these steps will put you on the path to financial success. The next step is learning how to budget and save for your future. This involves setting realistic goals for yourself and creating a plan for reaching them. It also means tracking your spending and investing in order to ensure that you stay on track with your financial goals. The next step is to understand the basics of investing. This means researching different types of investments, such as stocks, mutual funds, and bonds, and understanding the associated risks and rewards. Additionally, it is important to understand the basics of retirement planning, estate planning, and insurance, in order to protect your money and your family. With this knowledge, you can create a financial plan that will help you reach your goals, while also avoiding costly mistakes. Additionally, it is important to understand the different types of financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, and derivatives, as well as the various markets in which they are traded. Learning about different investment strategies, such as dollar cost averaging, and the different types of financial advisors available, can help you make the most of your investments. It is important to understand the different types of fees associated with investing, such as management fees and transaction costs, so that you can make sure the fees you are paying are reasonable and appropriate for your situation. Another important part of achieving financial success is knowing how to invest wisely. Investing can be a great way to increase your wealth over time, but it's important that you understand the risks involved before diving in head first. Make sure that you research different types of investments carefully before committing any money so that you can make informed decisions about where your hard-earned money should go. Another important factor to consider when making investments is diversification. By diversifying your investments, you can better manage the risk associated with investing, as well as spread out your returns. Additionally, it is important to understand the different types of investment vehicles, such as ETFs, mutual funds, and index funds, and how they work. Furthermore, it is important to understand the different types of financial advisors, such as financial planners and investment advisors, and what they are able to offer. Understanding the fees associated with different financial advisors and investment services is also important in order to ensure that you are getting the best value for your money. Lastly, it is important to understand the different types of tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs and 401ks, and how they can help you save for retirement. By taking the time to understand the different types of investments, financial advisors, and tax-advantaged accounts available, you can make sure that your investments are working for you and that you are taking the steps needed to achieve financial success. Finally, don't forget that taking advantage of tax credits or deductions can help reduce your overall tax burden and put more money back into your pocket each year. Knowing which credits or deductions are available for different situations can help maximize the amount of money that goes back into your wallet instead of Uncle Sam's. Taking a long-term approach is also key to achieve financial success. Investing in stocks and bonds can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to realize that there are also risks associated with these types of investments. Before investing in any securities, be sure to research their performance and volatility so that you can make an informed decision. Additionally, don't forget to use tax credits and deductions to reduce your overall tax burden and keep more of your hard-earned money in your own pocket. It's always a good idea to review your finances regularly so that you can adjust if needed. Additionally, look into financial advisors and wealth management services to help you achieve your financial goals. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Finally, stay informed and stay up to date on the latest news and developments in the financial world. Doing this can help you make the best decisions for your own financial future. With these tips in mind, anyone can work towards achieving financial success. With the right knowledge and dedication, anyone can work towards achieving their financial goals. Taking time each month or quarter to review your finances is a great way to stay on top of things. Additionally, there are many other tips out there that can help you achieve financial success. Remember that knowledge is power when it comes to managing your money. Take advantage of all the resources available and make sure you're always up to date with your finances. With these tips in mind, I'm confident that you will be able to reach your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking it and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for tuning in today.